Oh God. Whoa. Okay, ain't nobody fucking with my click. Click, 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 click. Ain't nobody fresher than my motherfucking click. Click, click, click.
What's up? Y'all know about the Smoking Aces party November 2nd this year? I hope so, because you do not want to be the one that missed the illest skating party at the end of the 2012 year. Don't be that guy. We will be having fun. We got females. It's going to be a 50-50 raffle. Females, a light buffet. Food coming from cooks, the best in the city. Females, you know how you go to some skating parties and they have a nice little layout. Might have fruit or something. And then you go to some skating parties and the food be nasty. Like, yo, this is nasty. Well, you ain't gonna have to worry about that at this Smoking Aces skate party. We gonna have food, some fish, some yams. The yams is gonna be so good, it's gonna make you go home and put your mom in a UFC move. You gonna be so mad she ain't cooked yams this good. We try to skate in a parking lot, it's gonna be so many people in the building. We gonna tear the roof off that joint. DJ jamming on the ones and twos, spinning from 11 to 3 a.m. We gonna be in that joint like, oh, come on, baby, come on, baby, come on, baby, let the good time roll. Yo, this is gonna be crazy. Yeah, you see, I'm styling already. I got my awesome shades on, representing my man Awesome, Nike Nas, in the building. So come and party with the whole Smoking Aces team. Awesome, Sweet Shauna. You got Desi Scruggs, a.k.a. Scrooge. I said that man's whole name. Don Buck, a.k.a. Swag Boy. Skate University's own Cohen Roll Bounce Thompson. Mira and her pretty self. LB the Prince from Hood Time. My man Linwood and DJ Johnny Aziz. Getting busy. So if you skate, if you don't skate, if you just like to come and be looked at, come on through and have some fun with some good people, with good times, and it's going to be a good event. You don't want to hear about the party or see some videos on Facebook or something and be like, oh man, I didn't know about that party. I would have went. I would have went. So make sure everybody know about it. Tweet about it. Facebook it. Tell a friend and tell a friend. Look at the person you look sitting next to. Tap them and say, yo, you hear about that Smoking Aces First Friday party? November 2nd. November 2nd. Instagram it. Tumblr it. Foursquare it. MySpace. Black Planet. Mi Gente. Asian World. All that. ChristianMingle.com. The party is only about 2.5 weeks away. So get on Twitter. Tweet about it. And hashtag November 2nd. All letters, no numbers. Hashtag November 2nd. Spell it out phonetically. November 2nd. November 2nd. I hope it ain't nobody out there hating. No. Smoking Aces First Friday party at MSW in Camden, New Jersey. Millennium Skate World is at 1900 Carmen Street, 08105. Any questions, hit up Twitter at Nike Nas Awesome or call MSW Skating Rink 856-757-9460. I'll see y'all there. Peace and blessings. Come on, baby, come on, my baby, come on, my baby, let the good times roll. Always us, never them.